Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing the MPOW M12 wireless earbuds. These come out around less than $30. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Now these are one of the most popular earbuds on Amazon right now, and I'm going to give you my overall thoughts and opinions, but first we're going to go ahead and unbox them. So taking a look at the box, Bluetooth 5.0, it has a Bluetooth range of about 33 feet. It says it can last about 5 hours on a single charge, 2-hour charging time, 5 volts, 1 amp, touch controls, and they have bass and audio. Pretty simple but pretty good specs. Go ahead and get into it. Black box, pretty nice. Nice presentation, I guess. So here are the earbuds. They have MPOW branding on them, as well as an LED indicator, microphones, and you can see the grill right there, which is pretty cool. And here's the case. Now this is a 500 milliamp case at 3.7 volts. Pretty good quality case. I like it. It's magnetic as well. Some LED indicators right there. Pretty nice. Let's see what else we have real quick. So we have some earbud tips, charging cable, Type-C. We have a user manual, setup guide, I guess. And then we have a 2-year warranty. Wow, that's pretty good. And it says register within the first 15 days to register for a 2-year free warranty. That is actually really good. So overall, pretty nice presentation and pretty good first impression. These are obviously really easy to pair. All you have to do is just put them back in the case, turn it on by pressing and holding for 5 seconds, but it's easier to just put them in the case for the first time. We go to close the case, wait a little bit, and then just open them, and then they'll be on. So as you can see, the lights will turn on. They're blue now, and they are connecting. Now they're in pairing mode, so we're going to go ahead and get a device, pair it. We're going to listen to sound quality, we're going to listen to low, mids, highs, and to everything. Alright, we are back from all of our testing, and these do sound pretty good. For less than $30, you get pretty good amount of specs. You have wireless charging on deck, which is really cool, and open them. Pretty typical on nowadays earbuds. Open them, and then they'll automatically start pairing. The case itself is actually decently small. Alright, so we did the stereo test, which helps with differentiating the sound on left and right earbud, seeing if there's any issues with it. A latency test, which basically means if they're in sync and if they're good. We did a bass test as well, and the bass on these are pretty decent. Last but not least, we did our lows, mids, and highs. So basically lows falls into the bass category, but the bass test was a deep bass test, so it helps with that as well. Alright, so in terms of bass, the bass is actually pretty good. The bass is way more obvious than AirPod Pros, but they don't beat the Oxium or the ViaTool T98s. So they're good, but they're not really good. Are slightly better than the Tribit Flybud C1. I'm not sure if it mentioned it in the specs or the listing, but noise cancellation, if it does have any. I know it does have some noise isolation due to the earbud tips, but it actually does cancel out some of the sound. It won't cancel out obviously the voices of humans because that's really hard to do, but it does cancel out like hisses from certain technology or stuff around you, traffic, stuff like that. It does do a pretty good job at doing that. And this is what I meant from the speaker grill. You can actually see the grill, which is pretty cool. Other than that, I really like them. Really good case. You can charge it USB Type-C. It has wireless charging on deck. And I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like right now. I'm placing it on the wireless charger and the light turns blue. So that's a really good sign, and it does work, which is really helpful. Alright, so overall thoughts and opinions. Lows, really good. Mids are pretty good as well. Highs are okay. It's a little muddy, but it does do its job. Once again, these are less than 30 bucks, so pretty good earbuds for $30. Wireless charging, I don't know if they have IPX rating or noise cancellation, but if they do, then they're even better, but I'm pretty sure they don't because of the price. I know some companies are able to get away with it, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. I'll be doing a top 5 video for earbuds within next week, I believe. Yeah. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.